Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export copper data with the Google Sheets add-on right here. So first up, make sure that you have the extension installed. Okay, so all you'll do to install it, just click on add-ons right here, get add-ons, and find copper. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide, you can go ahead and check it out on your channel. We have a separate video for it. Okay, so first up, so again, going back, click on extensions. First up, to export your data, well, you'll need to import it from copper. Okay, sign in right here and sign in with your copper account. Hit on continue, scroll all the way down, hit on continue, and wait for it. It says here, let's load some data. Click on this drop down. Maybe I would like to import people record. Okay, all people, import data right here, and just wait for it. All right, it's almost done. There you go. It's done. Let's just go ahead and close this one. Now what we'll do to export it is that you're gonna want to go ahead and go to file right here at the top left, and then just click on download. Now go ahead and choose maybe an XLSX file or a comma separated value file. Okay, just select one, wait for it, and save it wherever you want. Maybe a sample export from copper with Google Sheets. Okay, hit on save. I'm going to go ahead and click on the folder right here, double click on it. We have the same data. All right, there you have it. That is how you export copper data with a Google Sheet add-on. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.